Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merch, the BB wash, body wash, and the baby soap bar. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Dove Gentle Exfoliation Nourishing Body Wash, 400 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Deeply Nourishment Nourishing Body Wash, 200 ml. Week by week skin feels plump, smooth, and soft. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Gentle Exfoliation, 400 ml. Nourishing Body Wash, Nutrium Moisture. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores. Mama's grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Dove Sensitive Skin Nourishing Body Wash, 200 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Deeply Nourishing Body Wash, 200 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dove Body Wash, Baby Dove Body Wash, Hair to Tube Baby Wash, Rich Moisture. $400 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong the Baby Body Wash, Hair to Tube Baby Wash, Sensitive Moisture, suitable for babies who may be prone to eczema. Created with no parabens, no phthalates, no sulfates, please, fragrance free. 400 ml po yan. Next, meron din tayong Baby Dove Hair to Tube Baby Wash, Rich Moisture, created with no parabens, no phthalates, no sulfates, 591 ml po siya. Next, meron din tayong Baby Dove Hair to Tube Baby Wash, Rich Moisture. Available po siya sa 200 ml. Next, meron din tayong Baby Dove Hair to Tube Baby Wash, Rich Moisture. Helps retain your baby natural skin moisture.
Tama na pa, may papakwanto.
220 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Baby Dove Hair to Tube Baby Wash, Rich Moisture. Helps retain your baby's natural skin moisture. 430 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, we have Baby Dove Baby Bar, Rich Moisture Mild Nourishment Baby Dove. Uh, 75 grams. Unilever po yan. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch videos. Dove Body Wash, Baby Wash, and the baby bar. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all always. Thank you for watching.